The much awaited RBI Grade B 2023 notification is now out. You may have been preparing casually before the notification, but now you need an action plan to complete the syllabus, revise it, and crack the upcoming exam. Hi, my name is Anchit and I am the co-founder of EduTap. I am conducting a live workshop where I'll tell you exactly how to strategize your preparation. I'll tell you the most important topics that have very high probability of appearing in the exam. I will also be giving you a day-wise study cum revision plan so that you complete the syllabus and also revise it in a time-bound manner. I will also be telling you the best shortlisted sources for each subject, be it be phase 1 or phase 2. It does not matter whether you are just starting your preparation or have completed a few subjects, whether you are learning from some course or doing self-study, the challenge ahead is enormous. And you will need an experienced mentor to walk with you and guide you along the way. There are very limited seats available for this session. Click on the link below and reserve your seat now, and I'll see you on the other side.